Islamic Cleric Gumi urges Nigerian military orders to protect peace deal with Bändits, says they should be rehabilitated like Niger Delta militants. Good evening, everyone. Today is Sunday, the 21st day of September 2025. Every now and then, when I hear people talking about peace deal, they don't know the end of a peace deal. In this video, first of all, I'm going to explain to you the meaning of peace deal and the end point of peace deal. What I'm going to explain to you about peace deal is from my own opinion and from the little experience I have gathered about all these attacks, the way they are progressing in Nigeria. Secondly, I want to clarify that thought of Niger Delta militant. People don't understand what it is at all. So let us understand that these people that Gumi is talking about are terrorists, okay? Now, before I go forward, this is what is going on Makurdi Lafia Road. The same people they are, having peace deal with here and there, they are still the same people that are closing down all the whole Nigeria, targeting the whole cities, like what I predicted just about a year ago, that these people are coming inside the town and there is nothing that could stop them. Take a listen.
Come on for that man back, come on for that man back, come on for that man back.
Okay, go down,
Come on for that man back.
All right, that is what is happening in Makurdi Lafia Road. So for people who are going to pass that road, you have to be very careful. So let us go into this issue of peace deal. After that, we'll now go into Niger Delta militancy, because that is what Sheikh Ahmed Gumi is saying, that these terrorists should be rehabilitated like the Niger Delta militants. Now, when I read the peace deal that they signed in Abuja, I think I did not see bad thing there. It's a normal peace deal. I saw signatures. But do you understand that peace deal is a license to terrorism? Peace deal is a license to terrorists to operate in a safe haven. I want to explain this thing very, very clear to you. Peace deal implies that the terrorists should not attack the community, as in they should not kill people again, stop killing people. Then, in return, the government will not attack your people. The military will not attack your people. So you people will be staying legally in Nigeria. That is a peace deal, legalizing terrorism in Nigeria. They are step by step suspending Nigerian constitution. Sometimes if I'm saying all these things, people don't get me. Whether you are from the south, you are from the north, you are from the east, you are from the west, we are all victims of these politicians who imported these terrorists into the country. We are all victims. So even though my brother is doing what is bad, I should be able to have the courage to tell him that, no, what you are doing is bad. We should not try to immortalize thieves. Oh, he's a thief, but he's our own. That does not exist. Unless you yourself want to eat up yourself, both from the southeast, west, north, south. We should not immortalize criminals. Now, when you look at the peace deal, it shows that the terrorists will now be legalized and they will live in a safe haven. The terrorists that they had peace deal with last week, I saw him, warning Nigerian government, and he was telling Nigerian government, hey, you people have to listen. Any attack on my people again, I am going to return to violence and Nigeria is going to burn. Oh, you don't understand that well. He is telling you that, listen, you've got to allow us to operate in a safe haven. You've got to allow us to continue to dominate. Now, this is the plan of the terrorists. Let me tell you, you don't know it. Let me tell you for the first time here. After the peace deal, they have free passage. You could see them in the daytime going. You don't have right to call police to attack them. You might see them with gun. As far as they are not attacking you, no problem. That is the peace deal. Peace deal is contrary to any constitution on earth. Peace deal is against natural justice and equity. Peace deal with terrorists is like legalizing, I repeat it again, legalizing terrorism. Nigerian government have succeeded in legalizing terrorism. When El-Rufai, former governor of Kaduna State, I'm talking about Nasser El-Rufai, when Babadati Ahmed, I'm talking about P2B's, running mate in 2023 presidential election, these two persons, last 3 weeks, just 3 weeks ago, they came to the national television, Channels Television. They said something that has become a policy of Tinubu's administration to be paying the bandits. They put them on a payroll. This is an allegation made on national television. And up to now, Tinubu's administration have not debunked such. They have not. In other words, what they said is just true. So for those of you who have been hearing about peace deal, peace deal, peace deal, peace deal, I just explained what peace deal is to you. Now, let me tell you what you don't know. There is a law in Nigeria, this new cyber law they are doing. You don't even have rights, even though you have access to recordings of people, communication, you don't have rights to publish it. Okay? Now, do you know that these terrorists continue to make plan to bring more people to Nigeria every now and then after peace deal? Why? Because they have the mindset that yes, we are at peace with these people. So even though our people are coming into the country more and more, there is nothing anybody could do because peace deal is protecting us. Peace deal is like a shade of protection against these people. Now, before I go into the Niger Delta militant issue, and I could say that I think the only reason Gumi could always tell them that don't do this, we don't want killings again, we want peace. But how long will this peace last? How long will this peace last? These people will continue to grow in the name of peace deal. They are not killing. We are not killing. But they will be, their network will now go all over the country. And one day they will say we are ready to take back this country. Yes, their mission is to take over Nigeria. Now, let me ask you a question. You know, Nigerians, we are on social media talking about nyash, breast, living what matters, okay? We don't use ear to hear celebrity news. Living the special matters about your future of your generation. Let me tell you something. What is the purpose of Boko Haram? Do you know? You don't know. Boko Haram says that Western education is a sin. The Boko Haram intent was to turn Nigeria into Islamic State. If you have any contrary opinion, drop it there. I read their handbook translated from Arab. The handbook of Boko Haram, their mission statement and everything. They just want an Islamic State in Nigeria. ISWAP broke away from them. ISWAP want Islamic State in Nigeria. In fact, ISWAP is Islamic State of West African Province. That is what they want. And all these people you are seeing, they come and they forget all those names. These are the branches of Boko Haram. What do they want? They want a Sharia state in Nigeria. Now, if you make peace with these people, now they will continue to have their networks all over the country, and they will spread to all over, and they will rise up tomorrow and demand that this is what they want. Who is going to stop them? Look at what the Boko Harams are doing, invading military bases, hijacking it, soldiers running away, running for their life. The soldiers they are trying their best. The good soldiers, they are trying their best. Okay? They did not create the problem. The politicians created the problem for the soldiers. The politicians created the problem for the insecurity we are seeing today. Do you understand? So, that is the issue about this peace deal. Now, let me clear the doubts of people about Niger Delta militants. I am touching this issue of Niger Delta militants because of what Sheikh Ahmed Gumi said, urging the Nigerian military orders to protect the peace deal with the bandits. Says they should be rehabilitated like as the Niger Delta militant. Who are the Niger Delta militants? Niger Delta militants are the Niger Delta people who owns where the crude oil that is sustaining this country came from. And these people were not interested that, oh, this oil came from us, they should not use it for Nigeria. No, they were not interested in that. They were peace people, peace-loving people. What is the occupation? Farming, fishing. They go, they fish, they do everything. They are not troublesome. They are minding their business. But Nigeria government will have, a contract with Shell, with Ajib, with any others, Mobi. They will come explore oil, and there will be oil spillage. Follow me. There will be oil spillage into the sea. The fish, the whole sea animals in the sea, okay, all those seafood, they will die. So these people don't have what to eat again because where they are farming, the oil spillage have destroyed it. The oil spillage will enter into their farms on the little land they have. It will kill all their crops because it has fuel, chemicals. Air pollution, their people were contracting sickness. Nigeria was not interested, no road, nothing. If you are in their position, what are you going to do? What are you going to do if you are in their position? The majority of the oil wells there belongs to the people in the north and other people. They were not interested in making trouble. But you have taken away the source of their livelihood for them. They said, no, it will not happen. That was what led to them rising to the occasion of defending their future. And God bless Omar Musa Yar'Adua, a very intelligent man. Obasanjo could not handle the issue of Niger Delta militant. He was trying to, say otherwise. But when Yar'Adua came, Yar'Adua said, these people are saying is very correct. All these people are saying is very correct. So I think there should be something very good for them. You can't be taking their oil and spilling oil in their sea, killing their fishes, destroying their crops, and you will still abandon them. Yar'Adua Yar'Adua called Kunle Olaomi, who was the former head of Nigeria Intelligence Agency. Kunle Olaomi and others, they make arrangement. They settled the issue of Niger Delta militant, and they gave them amnesty. The people who are carrying guns, trying to stop all this oil exploration, don't do that. What you want, we'll give it to you. My question is, what do these bandits, what do they want? What do Boko Haram want? They said they want Islamic State in Nigeria. Do you now see the difference? Do you now see the difference? These people want Islamic State in Nigeria. That is what they want. But Niger Delta militant, they were talking about this is this, this is that. Give us what belongs to us. Don't just, spoil our place and let it go like that. It is not fair. So I just take time to explain the issue of Niger Delta militant for some of you who don't know anything about it. So that is it. Now, let me return back to this issue of Sheikh Ahmed Gumi saying that they should rehabilitate these people. This article is from Shara Reporters, and let me just run it down. It reads that Northern Islamic cleric Sheikh Ahmed Abubakar Gumi has voiced support for the peace agreement with bandits advocating for reconciliation. Speaking on Saturday, Gumi urged security agencies not to undermine the deal but to assist in guiding the bandits towards peaceful living, drawing parallel to the rehabilitation of the militants in Niger Delta. So that was why I just take time to make sure that I explain all these things to people. For you to understand that Niger Delta militants and all these terrorists, they are not the same, and they should not be a parallel line comparing both of them. Now, the Cleric statement followed a meeting in Sabua local government area of Katsina State, where traditional rulers and community leaders engaged directly with some of the bandits in an effort to foster dialogue and stability. Is it not these people that told us that these bandits are not Nigerians? They told us they are not Nigerians. And I agree with them, because in an effort to remove Jonathan, they started importing these people. And these people have also allowed their people to come. Shall we continue like this? Anyway, let me stop here. What I'm trying to say in essence is that we have seen from the beginning of everything, and I'm telling you people that this peace deal is going to stop Nigeria. Peace deal is going to stop Nigeria now. These terrorists will be growing their network because there is already a peace deal protecting them. Anybody who initiated a peace deal with these terrorists do not mean well for Nigeria, do not mean well for their people. Nigeria is not sustainable. Nigeria is not not with one constitution. And I ask again, the likes of Nnamdi Kanu, DSS told the court, we have never seen anything terrorizing with these people, but we are charging him because of the things he said that push people to go and do things. They said that is why they are charging him. So I want you to sit down without a biased mind and ponder on all these things. I am a security and confidence reporter. My name is Okocha Pima. So let me know what you think on the comment section.